At Pointe-Laz, we automate mine shaft inspections for two main reasons: reduce mine downtime and improve miners' safety. Mine shafts are underground mines' biggest bottleneck. They limit the amount of tonnage that can be extracted, but there are laws around the world that forces the mine to shut down each week to do an inspection. These inspections can take up to 8 hours per week. At Pointe-Laz, we designed a scanner that only takes 1 hour to do the inspection. We commercialize a high-tech product, and we want to make sure it's up to the standards and certification. And that's why we're here at Quantino. We also want to increase the accuracy of our optical and laser devices. In 5 years, we want to be in many mines around the world. We also want to develop new technologies that will help improve productivity and increase miners' safety.